I-43 South I-8 94 back I-41 and then, keep to the left in 980 feet. In a quarter mile, keep to the left on I-43 South I-8 94 back I-41 and then, keep to the left in 980 feet.
Alrighty, Milwaukee. 5 a.m. Heading north. We're making a turn to head a little west, then north. Heading up to Merrill, Wisconsin. I-39, Wisconsin, northbound. We're starting to get a little bit of sprinkles. Still nice and cloudy, so probably a bit of rain for the day. We're about 40 minutes away from our delivery. Yep, we got rain all to our north, which we're heading into. So hopefully they have a nice dry place where we can take these trailers off at. Then we will see where dispatch sends us next.
Well, we got ourselves unloaded. And you'll see by the pictures what an adventure that was. We are here in Merrill, Wisconsin. We're at the little truck stop right here, little BP. Right here on Brandenburg Avenue, right off of US 51. And I wish this camera could really bring justice to the landscape. Well, you know, the fall colors already started. We had a clean deck. Now we're just waiting for our next load. All right, little kerfuffle with the trailer. new design. Got to do things a little bit differently than the old ones. We're getting some paving tiles. You know, some pavers. You know, nice heavy concrete pavers. Thought I'd be picking up lumber, but so we're going to get about 45,000 pounds of these. So we get that set. Then we'll weigh out, get our paperwork signed, and we'll hit down the road.
Alright, we got our load. We're all strapped down. So now we are driving through the woods of Wisconsin. I-39, southbound. Alright, 5:30 in the morning. Minonk, Illinois. Stayed the night at the Road Ranger. Right here on I-39. So we still have a little, just 1,000 miles to go to Houston. We're going to make our way down to St. Louis first thing this morning.
2 miles, turn right on West Chestnut Street.
We're going to get some fuel at the Pilot. They're in Troy, Illinois. Like I said, just on the east side of St. Louis. And the rest of the day will be spent down, getting down towards Memphis and a little bit and beyond. Coming into St. Louis, I-55, heading towards I-64.
1.5 miles, keep to the left on I-64 West US 40 West I-55 South. State border ahead.
So you can see here, coming up on the arch. I-55 southbound, just inside Arkansas from Missouri.